Intensive practice 4.2, question 7. The area of a rectangle is this much. One of its side. Okay, let's draw a rectangle. Okay, so this area is 8 plus 10. And they said one of its sides has a length of this much. So let's say this side is 5 plus 2. Determine the length of the other side. I think they meant side, not right, in this form. Okay, so we need to find the length of this side. So the area of a rectangle is super simple. It's just base times height. So we can say base times the height equals to area. 8 plus 10. Okay, so now we need to find x lah. We need to find the length of the other side. So x, if we bring this over here, it will become divide. So 8 plus 10 divide by 5 plus 2. Okay. So if you want to divide and you want to leave it in this form, that means we cannot have denominator. So what we have to do is we have to multiply this with its conjugate. So basically we have to rationalize lah. Rationalize means leaving the denominator without a set. So denominator cannot have set. So to multiply with the conjugate means if this is set 5 set 2 and this is plus, conjugate will be set 5 set 2 as well, but it will be minus. So set 5 minus set 2. So here you multiply this, top also must multiply the same thing. Set 5 minus set 2. Right, now we expand. So this times this times this. 8 set 5 minus 8 set 2. And then 10 set 10 set 5. So this will leave us with set 10 times 5, which is 50. Set 10 times negative set 2 will be negative 2 times 10 is 20. Okay. Then down here, to multiply conjugates, we have a shortcut. You don't have to expand everything. You just have to do this times this. So set 5 times 5, set 5 times set 5 is 5. And then this times this. So this will be negative 2. Okay, set 2 is 2. Positive times negative is negative. Right, now we simplify. So top here, this one cannot simplify. This one can. So 50 will be, let me write this first. 50 will be 25 times 2. So I can say set 25 times set 2. 20 will be set 4 times set 5. So why did I pick these numbers? Because set 25, we can get 5. We can square root it. If I choose 5 times 10 also can. But 5 and 10, both also cannot square root. So we choose 25 times 2. Same thing here. 4, we can square root it. So I choose 4, 5 lah, instead of 10 and 2. Okay, then 5 minus 2 is just 3. So here, I can change this set 25 to 5. And then set 4 to 2. Right. So set 5 and set 5. So 8 set 5 minus 2 set 5. 8 oranges minus 2 oranges will be 6 oranges. So 6 set 5. Set 2 and set 2. So negative 8 oranges plus 5 orange will be negative 3 oranges over 3. Then all these terms can be divided by 3. So we'll get 2 set 5. 3 divided by 3 is just 1. So I just write set 2 over 1. Over 1 no need lah. So this will be the final answer. So x will be 2 set 5 minus set 2. This will be our other length.